Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going over how you can monetize your skills and your passions. Over the years, I've managed to monetize my skills, my gifts, my expertise, and I want to help you to do the same. Let's get right into it. Now, the first thing in order to start monetizing your skills, your gifts, and your talents, you have to assess and identify which one of these God-given gifts or which one of these skills or expertise you can start monetizing. And it is very important to start with one. Don't try to do several different startup business or side hustles at the same time. Wait until one is monetized or mature enough to function on its own before you can start another one. So while trying to identify the skill, this gift, ask yourself, what do you do with ease? What's one thing you know that you do so well? People always asking you how you do this. And you always are so passionate and excited and feel fulfilled once you're doing it. What is this one thing? Or sometimes it can be many things. So start making a list right now, writing down all your skills and your gifts and your ideas of what you can start to monetize. So say for instance, you love cooking or you enjoy baking. With this side business, you can start a catering business right from your kitchen. You can create a menu for the week and just take some orders for one specific day. Start off small, so say Wednesday you have a menu, you send the menu out from a week before, then you start collecting your orders. So for example, again, I've monetized in the past. I enjoy baking and I also have a baking certificate. So with this skill, I was able to monetize it, bring in extra income, and also help to compensate my income as a nurse, right? So I did baking. I did hair. When I just moved to Canada, I do my hair and persons would see me and ask, who did your hair? And I'm like, I did my hair. So I monetize that skill. I've monetized creating a t-shirt business. No idea that I was able to create and start a t-shirt business, but I like doing things and I like DIYing, crafting, and doing skills with my hands, right? So look back and see what are the things that people tell you that you are very good at. What are these things? Again, it can be sharing, storytelling. I enjoy giving back, sharing stories. So I started this YouTube channel to help you. So that is a passion of mine that I will be monetizing. I'm not there yet. I'm currently a little over 700 subscribers at this time. So I want my goal to be 1,000, my watch time to be 3,000, 4,000, whatever the criteria is, so that this passion of mine can start monetize, right? I can start getting some income from my passion and my skills, right? So look and see, what can you start right now? Which business can you start right now? Number two is to now choose one. Yes, I know I just mentioned that you start with one, but in order to make a lucrative business, you have to start with one and put all your focus and your energy, tunnel vision on that one special business startup, right? So as I said, you might be multi-passionate, multi-skilled, and you're so confused, not sure which one of these business you need to start right now. I totally get you. I was in that bracket where I just keep doing several different side businesses, right? Because I'm so passionate about several things. I wrote a book, like all these things I was doing. But in order to make a lucrative income from your passions and your skills, now you have to assess and see which problem can you solve? Which problem is there a need for that persons will pay you to fulfill that problem, right? Another way to look at it is your passion versus the paycheck, right? So from these passions, which one would be the most lucrative, right? So say for instance, you want to start with the food, cooking, catering. versus you want to start a YouTube channel or you want to write a book. Which one of these do you think would get more money for? Another thing might be mentoring or coaching. This one might be more lucrative than the others. So you see which one of these you can start off with that will bring you more income. So that's number 2. And number 3 is to just start. Just start. A lot of times people want to do things and they allow fear to get into the way. They allow fear of the unknown, fear of what other people will think about them, and just fear of just getting the thing done, just starting, right? I remember one time I think I was out somewhere and somebody was asking me about my YouTube channel, like, how do you do it? What about what people? And I'm like, no, I don't think about what people think. I have a gift and I have a passion and a purpose, and I'm sharing this gift. I'm sharing to empower, to encourage, to uplift others. I'm not thinking about the negative comments and what people will think about me. No, I am blessing someone with these YouTube videos, right? So you, my friend, don't allow fear to hold you back. If you need mentoring, if you need coaching, find it, invest in it, invest the time and invest the money. With all these businesses that I've started, starting with the t-shirt business, the book, life coaching and all that, I have invested in coaches. So what you need to do now, you need to assess. So after you identify that business, you choose one that you want to start off with, look around to see the competitors. What are they doing? How are they doing it? And if you can get coaching from one of these persons that you idolize to be your mentor, your role model in whatever they're doing, they always say, why recreate the wheel, right? So now you see this person doing this. So say it's a YouTube, you want to start a YouTube business. Go and see what they are doing. If they have a book, if they have a course, you can invest and get yourself starting off in confidence. When I just started the t-shirt business, I was YouTubing a YouTube university until I couldn't YouTube university anymore. I had to invest in a coach who helped me and guided me in starting up this business. Same thing when I was doing the life coaching, I YouTube until I was YouTube out. And I invested in a life coach whom I saw as my role model. And I was like, yes, this is a person that I want to coach me, guide me, mentor me to create a coaching curriculum like hers, right? So it's not copying, it's gaining knowledge from persons who have been through the valleys, and they will take you where they are in a shorter time frame rather than you trying to figure it all out by yourself. I also provide coaching. If you're interested in coaching, I'll leave the link below where I can help to guide you more on choosing how you can start monetizing your gifts and your skills and your passions, right? And I will leave a video right here on different side hustles that you can start. You can start a YouTube video. I also have a video about YouTube. So that's it for now. All that I've got about how you can monetize your gifts and your skills. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.